When creating passive income streams that will help you reach financial freedom, the possibilities are endless. However, if you are interested in getting paid in cryptocurrency, things tend to narrow down considerably. We've seen people find new ways to make a living through the rise of the gig economy, the sharing economy, and the creator economy. Now you can hustle and diversify your income streams further with the decentralized economy. So here are 6 side hustles that can earn you cryptocurrency. Firstly is play online games that pay in crypto. One great way to make extra digital cash is by playing games that pay in cryptocurrencies. While there are many popping up all over the place and it's hard to know what to trust, so here are a few to give you an idea. Axie Infinity. It's a blockchain game in which players earn cryptocurrency tokens as rewards, which they can sell for real money. Tokens in the game are AXS or Axie Infinity shards, which are tradable in many crypto exchanges. There are numerous ways to earn money in the game. For example, you can farm Smooth Love Potions, SLP, which is needed to breed collectible Axie pets. You can sell SLP on crypto exchanges or sell your Axies as pets. You can also become a real estate agent inside the game and invest in the Lucia land, wait for it to increase in value and then sell it. Both Axies and Lucia land are NFTs, which are all the rage right now. There is a catch though. To play Axie Infinity, you need to invest around $500 to buy at least 3 Axies. However, considering the limited amount of AXS, which tend to go up in price, it's well worth it. Next is Ember Sword. Ember Sword is an MMORPG built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a straightforward RPG game where players develop characters, choose a home nation, and go into the open world of Thanubus to complete missions, gather resources, make items, and fight monsters, bosses, and other players. In the meantime, they earn Embers, the game's token, which they can sell on different exchanges. Stormix is next, in which you can play, complete tasks, shop, or stake. Stormplay, now rebranded Stormix, is a sort of crypto swag bucks. You can earn cryptocurrency rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, DAI, Litecoin, and Storm token, completing different tasks which include playing games and reaching a certain level of score, answering surveys, and shopping online. As you successfully finish each task, you will earn a commission in one of the aforementioned currencies. Therefore, your earnings will go to a linked personal wallet such as Coinbase. Another way StormX lets you earn cryptos is by staking. This means that you put some of your cryptos to work by using them to help verify transactions in the blockchain, and in return, you receive a certain amount of coins as a form of fee. Before signing up to any games, make sure to do your own research to make sure they are legit and you are not just wasting your time. Secondly is to make money with NFTs. NFTs or non-fungible tokens are a hot item in the crypto world right now, and with good reason. They have a ton of potential use cases and offer several ways to make money. NFTs are basically digital assets stored on a ledger and use blockchain technology to trace ownership back to their creator. This enables you, as the creator, to sell digital assets such as a digital image and charge a fee every time somebody views it, a percentage of the sale every time someone sells it, or any other form of royalty. In short, NFTs are unique digital assets, so another way to make money with NFTs is by buying them low and then selling them high. This is especially true for rare items or those that represent something valuable. Finally, another popular way to make money with NFTs is by collecting them. Many public addresses hold hundreds or even thousands of items, which you can trade on exchanges. Some items are simply great investment opportunities like the Axies mentioned above, or any form of digital assets like digital art, video clips, sound clips, or anything any talented creator cares to publish. Thirdly is by using the Helium Network. You might have heard of Internet of Things, the idea that all of our devices will eventually connect to each other and the internet. Our fridges may communicate with our Amazon account to replenish our groceries. Sensors built into park benches might alert city officials about how often they are used. From smart homes to smart cities, the applications of this form of technology are endless. But there are potential snags. In a white paper, Helium argues that current solutions such as cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are suboptimal. They are too expensive, too power hungry, or too limited in range. Inadequate hardware would overburden gadgets that require much less bandwidth than our smartphones. Helium saw an opportunity to address this pain point. and came up with LongFi, a radio wave with a lesser data throughput but a longer range. It is perfectly suited to a large majority of devices that make up Internet of Things networks. Accordingly, Helium encourages people to place devices next to their windows that can work as a network anchor for these connected tools to use. It does require an upfront investment to buy the devices. Most YouTubers recommend the Bobcat hotspot, which costs around $530. Since transaction information is publicly available on the blockchain, we can look at any hotspot's returns on the map. Participants in the system typically earn anywhere from $5 to sometimes $3,000 per month, with most between $30 to $60. The amount depends on where the devices are located, where they are placed, and how much competition there is in their vicinity. Owners get paid in cryptocurrency, HNT, which they can trade for fiat on any exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Fourthly is crypto lending. If you have some coins lying around, an easy way to make a passive crypto income from them is to lend them in exchange for interest. There are several ways to do this, starting with lending some cryptocurrencies to friends, family, or other acquaintances that you trust will pay you back. You can also use an online peer-to-peer lending platform to help you invest your cryptos by finding borrowers and protecting you from scams. Today, a fairly new concept is the decentralized finance, which lets users lend and borrow money safely without getting banks involved. These usually work by letting the borrower, who needs physical money, fiat currency, put a set amount of crypto as a collateral. After that, as the investor, you lend them the money, and when they pay you back with interest, the borrower gets his crypto back. However, if the borrower defaults, you'll get the collateral cryptos instead. Fifth, using Filecoin. We rely on file sharing platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox to keep our data secure in the cloud. Thanks to these innovations and others, the cost of storing and sharing documents has decreased dramatically over the past 5 years. However, it is still the case that few major players hold a key to these files, and they represent a vulnerable target in the event of a cyber war. Blockchain can alleviate these concerns. In fact, it is possible that our data can sit encrypted on a blockchain in other people's computers while being accessible to us, owners, only via private key. Just like people can rent out spare rooms or apartments on Airbnb or supplement their income by driving their car for Uber, people with extra disk storage can also monetize that. Filecoin allows people to allocate available disk storage space for others to manage cryptocurrency files. By doing this, providers can earn rewards in FIL, which they can trade for fiat currency on any major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Lastly is using Lido. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in circulation by market cap, being that after Bitcoin. However, developers also mainly use Ethereum as a general purpose blockchain. Essentially, Ethereum is to decentralized apps, sometimes called dApps, what the App Store is to mobile apps. It provides an infrastructure for ventures to deploy a blockchain for their operations. Since it's decentralized, it requires many people to operate it, such that it can remain secure. On the Bitcoin blockchain, one can earn crypto rewards by contributing their computational power to validate what gets created into a new block. In Ethereum, on the other hand, one has to stake Ether, such that if they were caught meddling with the block, they would lose the Ether they staked as collateral. In crypto speak, this process is called mining, and refers to the process of earning cryptocurrency by running and securing the system, to make sure the stakes are high for anyone trying to tamper with the blockchain. The minimum amount one can mine Ether with is 32 ETH. Lido is a DAO that allows investors to stake smaller amounts in a pool and share in the profits proportionally to their contribution. We've tried it and it is really fun and simple. That being said, do keep in mind that while one can opt out anytime, they would only be able to reap the rewards once Ethereum 2.0 is live. Only then will it be programmers' full rollout of the proof of stakes update, and the latest estimations hint at a release date in a few months to a year. There are many ways to earn cryptocurrencies on the side, and these are but the tip of the iceberg. There's something out there for every taste, from passive income to selling NFTs to playing online video games for money. It all comes down to your personal preferences, skill set, and how much time you have on your hands. Do you have any side hustles that earn you crypto? If so, let us know what you do in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so not to miss out on more.